omukoro gwo kutaha abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe mu kigombe kya Lions Club muri Banda kwebembirwe Lion MJF Alex Baguma oruzono kya person Fred Barkurungi nuwatorinwe kuba president w'ekigombe cy'Ibanda Central Lions Club.
To the new members, welcome to a global family of service-minded individuals. By joining the Lions Club of Ibanda Centennial, you are becoming part of something greater than yourself.
Aba baraganise ngo umwaka wo baza kugezaho kurwana uburwayi bwa kansa okurwanira by'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe n'indijo miyoga
kandi uguma twatandika kuza kusava ngo tutataka ijoberi nzo kuba tukora abi kusomesa ibikwateye na kansa nzo kuba tukora abi kuransa nika promotinga environment byare miti
njete ndwara ya sukari abantu kuba kujerinda abataka jikwasirwe ndabajikwasirwe kuba kujimanaginga ekindi no kureba ababari vulnerable ninga shirisi fortune nkabana ababibizi home embarabure
hine bamemba basya batahibwo mu kigombe cya Lions Club aha Bwibanda
for their dedication, service and accomplishments over the past year. Your efforts have made a difference and your legacy will inspire those follow.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.
And the new president, this is is there.